Good morning, Sean. A judge has ruled that 8 votes cast after polls closed in Hanover will be counted. The polling location at Hanover High School was evacuated in the 6 p.m. hour after a fire alarm was sounded. The evacuation lasted for 20 minutes. Election officials held doors for an extra 20 minutes as a result. The judge found that the election moderator was responsible in keeping polls open late after the fire alarm. Those 8 ballots will be marked with an EH, which stands for Extended Hours, which is a requirement by law. Reporting live here outside Hanover High School, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Sean, back over to you.